Hi, I'm going to show you how to get the Canvas app on your phone. We're going to click our App Store. I searched in the toolbars Canvas Student. Shows up with the red little logo right there. And close out, it's going to start loading. Let's see where they put it, over here. Okay, when I click on it, it gives me an option to find my school. You can use a QR code sometimes. Otherwise, we just type in SPS. And then right here we see Springfield District 186, and we want the student version. And I'm going to pause this real quick while I sign in as a student. Okay, now we signed in. It gave me an option to allow notifications. These are sample courses for this student. You see the global navigation menu is on the bottom for your dashboard, your calendar, your to-do list, your notifications, and your inbox to send a message. I know that sometimes when you have to take a picture of your work, especially if like teachers are having you take notes and submit a picture, sometimes it's easier with your phone. You can just go to an assignment. And let me see if I can find one right here. And you want to go to a file upload. I want to click submit assignment. And you can choose a file. So you can just take one with your camera right then. We're going to allow it to access it. So like, let's say here are my notes. I take the picture, use photo, and submit. And done, confetti. It's as simple as that. And it gave us a little notification at the top that you turned in an assignment.